Hi guys, welcome to Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple, and I'm your host, Coach Alexander. I just thought of doing this video because a lot has been happening over the years since I started this channel, M&D Made Simple. And as you are well aware, all I'm trying to do is give out the best content on M&D to anyone out there. So right now I'm on my Udemy course. This course can be found on Udemy, which is Project Monitoring and Evaluation for Beginners. So this was my very first course I created, and the whole issue is that when I started this channel, the aim was not to, the M&D is wide, and you can find so much information on the internet. You can download PDF manuals and so many things out there you can download from. But you see, what my initial thinking was just to make it simple, straightforward to understand, especially for the beginners. So this course is there on Udemy. You just type project monitoring and evaluation for beginners. And just to show you what it's about, in case you're interested, I want you to look at what you will learn. Okay. There are quite a number of things that you will learn. You know terms and concepts applied in M&D processes, know the value for monitoring and evaluation in the implementation of projects, know monitoring and evaluation in the project cycle, know the role of M&E in project planning, know how to communicate M&E findings, know how to develop an M&E budget, know the difference between M&E. So all these things, even though this course is so affordable on Udemy, because you know the way it is with Udemy, most of the courses there are between maybe $10 to $19. Okay, usually I think I see $18, $15 somewhere there. So it's really affordable, and it's just to give you just a start, if you are new to this. But if you may be in the system already, you know what M&D is all about, but you just want to have a refresher course just so that you have a full summary of monitoring and evaluation, you can still get to this course. And as you can see, the reviews have been quite positive, 3.6. But I wouldn't say this is the best course I've done. The other course I did on Udemy actually so far has given me a review of 4.5 stars. And I'm just starting it out. This is something new I'm doing, and I hope you can support me and learn more. So let me know how you feel about this course. Your feedback matters to me. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. And I've put the link of this course in the description. So whenever you're ready, please feel free to come and enroll in this course. As you can see, 172 students have so far enrolled in this course all over the world. Okay, I've been your host, Coach Alexander, and see you on the other side. Bye.